Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Taurus Earth sign for the month of October. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your first card, Taurus. Okay, Page of Swords, Queen of Wands, Ace of Swords. Communication cards. I think you stand by your power. Definitely you are very attractive, or you are attracted to another person. Your person stand by their power. Energy could be vice versa. If it is you stand by your power. Someone spying on you on social media. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Definitely, because two communication cards is here. For some, there is your person want new beginnings, or you want new beginnings. Definitely, if something communication, I think communication is the key here. So let's see. Nine of Pentacles, Three of Cups. For some, those who are in separation, the separation is due to third party. For some, after the separation, if it is third party, definitely you stand by your power, Taurus. You are like this. You are financially and emotionally independent. You are very strong. You are concentrating on your career, definitely, because Nine of Pentacles, you are looking like this. Yes, you stand by your power, but your person spying on your social media, they want communication and they want reconciliation also, because Three of Cups, and they want to communicate something to you, but you walked away. You stand by your power. You are working on yourself. You are concentrating on your career. It is very good. Let's see some more. Six of Wands, Seven of Wands. 6 to 7. High Priestess, intuition. Yes, you are following your intuition. You are trusting your intuition. I think intuition never says wrong, definitely, because it's your intuition. And yeah, Six of Wands, it's Seven of Wands. You want success in your career. Definitely you are getting success in any area of your life, Taurus, because Nine of Pentacles with Six of Wands, definitely you will get success in your career. And Seven of Wands, this time you are very defensive. You are not allowing any person easily this time. For some, your person don't want to give up on this connection, even though they know you are not interested. I think you stand by your power. You are very defensive. You are trusting your intuition. You stand by your power. Wow, Taurus. But your person want to communicate you. So let's see some more. Queen of Cups, Seven of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. Now they want to work on this relationship because they are fantasizing about you a lot. They have strong emotions for you. Or for some, your person seeing other options, that's why you cut them off, you walked away, and you stand by your power. And now you are doing your work and you are doing your career. You are concentrating on your career. For some your person want to work on this relationship because they have strong emotions for you. Or for some, if you have emotions for your person, still you are working on yourself because you are giving first priority to yourself. That is self-love. So let's see. So when you're concentrating on yourself, working on yourself, it gives very positive result. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get who this person is. Your person current feelings towards you. Mind, yeah, Page of Swords. Definitely they are spying on your social media. Playfulness, Page of Wands. And success, yeah, they want to win you back in their life. They want to communicate, Page of Wands. I think your person very good looking, and I think your person may be younger than you, or you may be younger than your person. Definitely they are spying on your social media. They want to communicate you, some communication, some messages you will get from your person, and they want success with you. Definitely they want success in this relationship. They want to win you back, but it is not easy this time because you stand by your power. You are working on yourself. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates, leave the rest. Yeah, we are the world. 10 of Pentacles. Laziness, 9 of Cups. And final card, sorrow. Yeah, without you they are feeling like this. 9 of Swords. They are in depression, anxiety. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection. Definitely this time they want to offer stability to this connection, because we are the world means 10 of Pentacles and laziness means 9 of Cups. Yeah, they are wishing for this connection and they want success in this connection. I think they want to convey something to you and some communication. Definitely someone from past are approaching you, and they want reconciliation. Definitely they want a reconciliation. If you allow, definitely the reconciliation will happen. If it is not third party, it is okay. If it is third party, don't give another chance to your person. But your person like this without you. They want success in this connection and they are wishing for this connection. They are thinking about you a lot and they are spying on your social media. I think the strong emotions for your person, it's your person has strong emotion. They are fantasizing about you a lot and they want to work on this relationship this time. It is very slow moving energy. Still they want to work on this relationship and to offer stable offer to you. Definitely they are wishing this connection, and they are wishing to take this connection to next level also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection in near future is headed. 9 of Swords 2 times. Knight of Cups. The Hierophant. And the last card, 7 of Swords. Even though in this reading also got this card at end of the reading. Because why I am smiling, why I am laughing, because every reading got this card. Your person in past may be manipulative, playing games, playing mind games with you. One person in this connection is very manipulative. Energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. So yeah, they are very manipulative. One person in this connection, and other person caught them red-handedly. Then they realize the other person worth and they are become like this. They are in depression and anxiety. They don't know what to do, but they are coming with offer and they are coming with commitment. Yeah, they are coming back with offer. Knight of Cups, because they realize they have strong emotions for you, and yeah, Knight of Cups, it is stable offer, and they were definitely they want to commit this time. They are very serious this time, but be careful if it is third party. I think for some there are commitment issues in past, that's why you walked away, but now your person want to offer commitment, but it is too late maybe for some. So let's see your overall energy, Taurus, for the week. 7 of Pentacles, Hangman, Queen of Swords. Yeah, because you are spiritually awakened already and you invest in this connection more than your person. Now you cut them off, you stand by your power. Your whole reading in 3 cards. Definitely you are spiritually awakened and you cut them off because there is no equal give and take, and the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you, Taurus. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. The burden, 6 of Swords, totality, 5 of Wands, and the Fool. Yeah, they want something new again with you. They want to start a new beginning with you, and 5 of Wands. Still there is some disagreements between both of you, some commitment issues, some past issues, still holding back one person from reconciliation. Yeah, the burden, 6 of Swords. This could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different countries, different cities and different states. Some traveling is also involved in this connection. Yeah, your person want to clear things between both of you. The burden, 6 of Swords, some communication. I think communication is the key here. Definitely they are spying on your social media, and definitely some messages are you are going to be received from your person, and yeah, they want success with you and they want to offer long-term commitment to you. It's up to you to give second chance or not, Taurus, but you stand by your power. You are concentrating on your career, and here the signs, lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy and lot of earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and little fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sag. Your person could be any sign, but I am telling particularly because the persons could be any sign. So they're coming back with offer after realize your worth. Taurus. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. So thank you so much for supporting me. Bye.